Is there a problem?
I just don't like working at a damn daycare center.
I don't like working at a retirement home, so.
All right. In training, they just give you an F. Out here, you get killed.
What do we do when we get to a railroad crossing?
We have an unmanned train rolling into a highly populated area with no air brakes.
Yeah. Train that size going that fast will vaporize anything in front of it.
We have been told to anticipate an event radius 20 to 45 miles.
The only way to stop that kind of power, grab it by the tail, gun in the opposite direction. Close your eyes if you want it.